Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 5 and the last one. I stated in the other one that you could possibly add colors. Well, I wasn't thinking about it. You can't really change the color of the line because what we're doing is just lines and fills. But you could do this, and we'll do this. Go to our same customization, go to commands, and then you're under fills, and let's go 100% black and lay it right there and sit OK. Now I'm going to right click and I'm going to give it a title, 100% black. So let's draw a rectangle. Well, first of all, let's X out of that. Let's draw a rectangle and hit W. There's our 100% black. Let's make my hairline a 20-point line. Let's hit W and let's hit black. It fills in the black with the inside that same screen. And you could have all the colors, but just W to black. Now, that's not that big a deal because you've got it, let's back up here, you've got it right here. But while you're on that screen, you could have it a 20-point line. Of course, you would always have to go here to change that, or right-click black. And I've stated in a couple of videos that this is your right mouse button, that's your left mouse button. That's how I think about it, because this is a fill, so it's your right mouse button. This is an outline, so it's your, well, I messed that up. This is your left mouse button, this is your right mouse button. So if you draw a rectangle and you hit it with your right mouse button, that does the fill. Let's back up here, and if you hit it with your right mouse button, it's the outline. So it correlates with your right and left hand, your fingers. So you can hit the W, turn that black. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.